Howdy folks, it's Mama B, and I'm going to show you how to repurpose some of these old toys. So this one, right, it's really got gross, stretchy stuff. I don't even know what that is. But I'm going to use this off of it. And I'm going to use probably these beads off of it and the shells. So I'm just going to snip those. Because Toki hasn't ever played with this toy. I don't think the lovebirds have either. It's been a long time since this toy's been used. So we're going to throw away all the gross parts. Now this part is questionable because I've heard a lot of things about different bells. I don't think this one is one of the ones that's risky, but I've heard about birds getting their beaks caught in them. So you want to be careful if you're repurposing an old toy, because just because it's a toy for animals doesn't mean that it's safe for your birds. Okay, so now it's been a long time since these have been used at all. So I'm going to just clean them with this spray. It's just vinegar and water. I'm just going to soak it all down. Make sure everything's all... That'll get it all nice and clean, in case there's anything left over from previous use. We're just going to set them on here and leave them over here to dry. I'll polish those up again. Okay, so we have this. We have some string. This is cotton. I like to use the cotton because I know it's natural. This is packaging paper, and lovebirds love shredding paper, so we're going to use this. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of this string, wrap it around it, and tie it. And I like chewing on the end of that string too, so I don't even have to worry about tucking in any of the ends. Just get it nice and tight, wrap it a few times, and tie it off. Just like that. And then, just to show you, this is the packaging paper. It goes a long way, right? So I just clump it all together, get about a fistful, and cut some little extra like that. And you can do it as wide or as thin as you want it, but that's basically that. Crumpled paper. The lovebirds are going to love this. Toki will too. Now this is this really good stuff that you can get for birds, and it's so simple. You just punch a hole in it, right? And then you thread your string through. So I'm cutting this off. I'm just going to thread it through. If you have a hard time getting it through, just grab one of those little embroidery needles. Just use the scissors. Just kind of work it through. Push it through. Just like that. So now we got this nice little chew toy for them to bite on. And then I'm going to thread a few of these little beads on from the other toy. Some shells. And then at some point, I'm going to want to just tie a slip knot off up here. Actually, I don't want it to be a slip knot, but take the bow, the loop of it, and just tie it off like that. This way, I can use this piece, and it'll have a thing to hang on. And then I'm just going to string this up kind of the same way. A few beads, a few shells, little things that are interesting to them. This one I'm going to leave longer than the other one, I think, because it'll be fun to have it dangling. Toki likes to hang off of it and work the different little things while he's hanging. So, and the lovebirds do too, really. So we're just going to pull those through. Of these little things. We're almost done here. And then I think I'm just going to take this little bit that I tied. Oh, one more shell here. And I'm going to tie this little bit around it. Lovebirds are going to love that. Toki will join them because sometimes he tries to be a lovebird. And just tie that off. And then because I think that bell particularly is a safe one for birds, I'm going to let's try that one more time. I'm going to add it to the end. And that way if I see there's any problem I can just snip it and get rid of it. But otherwise it's going to be just fine. And that's it, folks. There's our little toy. And the lovebirds are going to love it, and Toki's going to love it, and they're all going to have little things to play with and chew on. Hey, thanks for watching our videos. Hope this inspires you to repurpose your old toys. You know, change it up for your birds. You see, it was quick and simple. Have a fantastic day.